What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you saw, we're trying to watch the Tyson and fake Jake Paul fight, but the server keeps frozen. Anyways, welcome to the channel. Welcome back to this episode. On this episode, what we're gonna be doing is, oh yeah, that's right, showing you guys how to spin 4 bands on plumbing. Alright, so what we're going to be doing today is we're going to do the entire plumbing system. So what we have here is, of course, the usual. What'd you say, bro?
If you ever think about being your car by gin, you better think twice, man. Budget for it.
What?
So you better have the budget for it.
That's right, we don't play no games around here. Only the best of the best. Anyways, let's cut to the intro. Alright, so what we got here is our typical standard, ballistic standard XRP stuff. Also, I had already pre-made the fuel lines. So check that out. And then I made the S2000 version of the fuel bracket. So basically on the S2000, unlike the EK where it uses like a bracket system, there's a threaded bolt that comes down from the chassis. So basically this just goes up into there and it'll hold it. So we don't need a bracket system. I'm gonna go under the car and install the hard lines first, because I'm pretty sure you guys are tired of seeing us do the same thing. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll show you guys what that looks like after we're done. I got the hard line in. I got the E85 sensor in already. So now we're gonna do the rear lines. Check this out. I found this. Come over here. So this, it has an O-ring on the inside. It's basically like the OEM connector. So it'll just snap into here and just lock into place. And I'm gonna retrofit it, because this is basically the equivalent of a Dash 6. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Look at that, chat. Bam. Alright, I'm gonna put this in the car and then measure it up so we can do the second line too. That way we can do both of them at the same time. There you go, chat. Both sides done. So now we're gonna put it in the car. Alright guys, so this is how it works. Go ahead, bro. In, push, click. You hear that? Look at that. That's clean. Alright, so we're done for tonight. I'm a little nappy because I've been under the car the whole time. We'll see you guys tomorrow when we do the rest of the plumbing. Who's back, Jones? Who's back, Jones?
I'm like Russell Wilson.
Yeah, alright. Diarrhea poop.
I was throwing dots. Ask him. I be throwing dots.
Yeah, underthrown dots. 5-yard dots.
I be throwing Hail Mary dots.
Yeah, alright.
Hail Mary dots.
Hail Mary.
Let's go, let's throw some balls.
This is the last of the fuel round, chat. Oh, hell. J.K. Dobbins. What do you get? He running backward.
It's one of those momentum kind of buses right there, right? Tackle of the match.
One more play.
You did.
Look like.
You did. It's the only way you can hit it like that. FYI guys, Jaden wrecked my truck. He hit a parked car.
Try to fucking defend
You believe
yourself,
that?
make yourself look stupid as hell.
I didn't do that.
Yeah, you did.
I didn't do that.
My insurance company says otherwise. I tried to bundle and Save, but this dude ruined it.
It was AI, dude.
All right, look at that final line or fuel line.
There's a fueling?
Sir, this is a fuel line. Look at this. Bam! Wow! Kaden, you want to do the honors, bro, and put on the clamshells? What are you doing?
Clamshells.
Why would you put a clamshell there?
Where? Oh, right here? Fuck you, Jaden.
I was like, how long is he gonna until you notice this?
I didn't notice.
No, I'm kidding. I didn't know where you were.
Grab the other one.
You can delete that part though.
Need 1, 2, 3, 4.
What, clamshells?
I was into this game, man.
There's me one for the booster and one in here too. There we go. Look at that. Bam. Dang, doesn't that look so much better, bro, than AN?
Did it? He made me cry when I ordered this shit, bro.
Huh?
He made me cry when I ordered this shit.
Why?
Fucking, I cried with my face in the pillow all night.
How much was it?
Broke my heart.
How much was
I
it?
didn't break your heart, I broke your wallet, bro.
Man, luckily I don't got BMW no more. That shit be burst.
Alright guys, so the next thing we need to do is the coolant plumbing. But we're gonna knock that out tomorrow because we gotta try to find a heater valve. So yeah, because we can't, I don't know where we put his. So we're gonna look for that and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, next day. So I got most of the heater holes already done. I got this one done. This one is done also. The last one I need is this one right here, but all I bought were 90s, so we're gonna need like a 120 because the 90 is gonna hit the valve cover. So I went ahead and ordered that. But besides that, the heater is done. So what we're gonna do next is the radiator lines. I got the swirl pot all mounted up already. So yeah, I'm gonna cook that up right now. And just like that. First hose is done. Now this goes back in, and then I'm gonna make this one goes down there. Okay guys, so we got that bottom one done. Everything clears, we're good. I think that's it for today because we goofed and we ordered one wrong fitting, so we have to reorder another fitting. And also we're short one clamshell for the Dash 16. So we'll get back to it whenever we get that ordered. I finished all the coolant plumbing. We got everything in. The last thing we need to do is install the oil pan. That way I can do the oil return from the turbo. So what we got here is we got a brand new Cannon oil pan.
What the hell? That looks better.
Of course, Jaden. This is a steel pan, and it comes, I believe it comes with this.
Is that bigger than that one?
Yeah, it's deeper. It holds more oil. So, yeah, it comes in with a baffle with oil and everything. So right now I'm gonna clean this up a little bit and then put some Honda Bond on there, and then we'll put it on. Alright guys, so it's been a couple weeks since the last clip. I finally picked up the turbo housing from the machinist, and we got this part machined off. If you remember the old flange, it stuck out too far, so it was hitting the oil filter. So yeah, we cut that off, and then we milled this down. So now I just have to re-weld a new flange on there, and then this turbo's good to go back in permanently. So I'm gonna clean it now, kind of scuff it a little bit, and then because it's so cold, I'm gonna have to heat this up, preheat this up a little bit. Alright guys, here we go. I'm gonna test this up first, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so I gooped up and grabbed the wrong rod. I grabbed the titanium one. So let's try this again. So, finished it. I don't know if you guys can see it. I still need more practice on aluminum, but I think it'll do for now. So, it needed to be hotter, but my my TIG torch can't go as high as I want it to because this thing is really thick, but it'll seal, it'll do. Okay guys, it's been a couple days, but I went ahead and installed the turbo back in, got everything mounted, tightened down, and then I went ahead off camera. I did the wastegate hard lines, the blow off valve hard lines. I went ahead and did the vacuum hard line on the fuel regulator, and then I went ahead and finished making this line for the brake booster as well. So the plumbing is basically done. We're just missing a couple fittings for the AC lines, but I guess that's it. Oh, I also made the hard line for the swirl pot to the overflow, but I don't know how I feel about this. Probably gonna change it up a little bit. But with that being said, this episode is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I hope you guys are excited for Project Beast to come back. So I'll catch you guys on the next one, where we'll be finishing the wiring and then the drive-by-wire and all that good stuff. So with that being said, peace out. I love you guys, and remember, authenticity is king. Peace. Oh, almost forgot. I'm gonna give you guys a B-roll. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. By the way, fly Eagles fly. My birds won the Super Bowl again. I knew it, I knew it, I knew it. So, see you guys next time. Peace.